Every component is aligned with micrometer precision. Every component is aligned with micrometer precision.
Every Tesla is checked thoroughly before leaving the Gigafactory.
The readings on the rear panel are inconsistent.
It looks like a minor paint anomaly right here, but the scanners cleared it.
And that's how Tesla cars are built. Testing from start to finish.
If you like what you see, make sure to hit that subscribe button right here. Go ahead, click it now. Awesome, thanks for subscribing.